State, local and tribal law enforcement agencies will work together to implement a new anti-violent crime strategy, according to a news release issued Wednesday by the Office of the Acting U.S. Attorney's Office in Anchorage. The strategy is part of a comprehensive plan to address rising crime in the United States and was developed during the past several months in consultation with the Alaska Department of Law and state and local agencies. U.S. Attorney General Jeff Sessions asked each state to come up with its own plan when he announced the renewal of the Project Safe Neighborhoods program that reduced violent crime 15 years ago. The strategy contains 5 major components, according to the news release. A federal duty agent will be called out to every murder scene and shooting scene to provide assistance, share intelligence from federal investigations, and to explore possible federal charges. Ballistic evidence gathered at every shooting will be reviewed by a ballistics task force. The goal of the task force is to match up ballistics from crime scenes and recovered firearms, and the Federal Bureau of Alcohol, Tobacco, Firearms, and Explosives will follow up on each correlation to identify and prosecute the perpetrators of violent assaults. The aim is for violent offenders to be promptly identified and prosecuted in federal court through the Project Real-Time program. Alaska state troopers will work with rural communities to prosecute violent felons and domestic abusers who possess firearms. These 4 programs will be coupled with new re-entry and prevention efforts aimed at reducing recidivism. The goal of the PSN and the Alaska Anti-Violent Crime Strategy is to prevent crime, not fill prisons. To this end, the new strategy will implement the program Project Face to Face, in which high-risk inmates scheduled to be released will be told violence and drug trafficking by repeat offenders will not be tolerated, but help is available for all those who wish to break the cycle of violence, drug trafficking and gang activity to become productive citizens, according to the release. Medical professionals, federal prosecutors and law enforcement officers will continue a program in which they meet with secondary school students throughout the state